Welcome everyone to Think STEM Hub. We have a challenge before us and we are obviously asked to find what x is. And we have to make use of some basic law of indices that say, okay, if you have x to the power of a times x to the power of b, we give you x to the power of a plus b. So I will make use of that with this, which I will dismember to be x raised to the power x times x raised to the power 1. So that will be plus x that I have beside it. Then you can see that x to the power of x is common to the 2. So I'll write x in bracket x plus 1. So I've done that. I'll go to the denominator, which is this, which is x to the power of x minus 1 plus x to the power of x. Now if you look at x to the power of x minus 1, it's the same thing as saying x to the power of x divided by x. So that means what we have at the denominator is x to the power of x divided by x plus x to the power of x. Now you have these to be x to the power of x being common. So you have 1 over x plus 1. Now this is the same thing as x to the power of x. Then you have x plus 1 over x. That is what we have at the denominator. So we can try and simplify things. The numerator, which is x to the power of x, open bracket x plus 1, divided by x to the power of x that we have at the denominator, divided by x, and that is x to the power of x, bracket x plus 1, times x divided by x to the power of x into bracket x plus 1. So you can see that this clearly cancels this, and what you are left with there is x. So this right hand part here is x. So we'll do the same thing for this other part. So I will extract that to x to the power of x plus 1 minus x to the power of x. That is what we have at the numerator. So and this is the same thing as x to the power of x times x minus x to the power of x. Now we can see that this guy here is common. That is x to the power of x. We look at the denominator, x to the power of x minus 1 minus x to the power of x. That is what we have at the denominator. And this can be written as x to the power of x divided by x minus x to the power of x. And that will be x to the power of x minus x dot x to the power of x over x. And if you look at that, we can see that x to the power of x seems to be common. That is 1 minus x over what? X. Now in the numerator we have x to the power of x into bracket x minus 1, yes, divided by x to the power of x into bracket 1 minus x over x, and that is x to the power of x into bracket x minus 1 times x divided by x to the power of x to the bracket 1 minus x. So this cancel this. So if you look at this numerator and the denominator, they are somewhat related to each other. So I can make the numerator the same thing as the denominator, only that I'm going to introduce a negative sign. So it's the same thing as x minus 1. So that is, I have x minus that I introduce divided by 1 minus x. So this is cancelling. So what we have there is minus what? X. So this other part here is minus x, is minus x, and the first part here is x. So we have x minus minus x is equals to x factorial, and that is 2x is equals to x factorial. And if you have 2x, if you see x factorial is same thing as x into bracket x minus 1 factorial, and this cancel this. 2 is equals to x minus 1 factorial. So if I look at it, if I say my x is 3, and that is 3 minus 1 factorial, will it give me 2? And that is 2 factorial, and 2 factorial is the same thing as 2, so my x is obviously 3. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe for similar video. Thank you for watching.